McCarthy here with Swift Pain Relief, here today to teach you how to use the auricular therapy clips with any one of our stim devices. Today I'm going to be using the HiDial Pro wireless to demonstrate this, so let's get right into it. First things first, you grab your HiDial Pro wireless. You're going to need one of your receivers, the auricular therapy clips, and if you have it, the spray is nice to have just so you can increase the conductivity in the clips by giving them a quick spray before placing them on each earlobe. For this one, you're going to want to select the auricular therapy mode. We have a guide that explains all of the modes and what they do so that you don't have to worry about that. As always, increase it to an intensity that is slightly uncomfortable and then bring it back 1 or 2. For me, I brought this up to 6 and actually brought it all the way back down to 4. It's nice and light and comfortable on my earlobes. So what do these do? These will help you treat headaches, migraines, and TMJ syndrome with ease and without the use of drugs. These auricular therapy clips do come with every one of our stim devices found on swiftpainrelief.com. From headache to footache and everything in between on swiftpainrelief.com, we have the options to help you treat your injuries without the use of drugs, recover from the injury causing you pain, and then prevent future injuries by increasing muscle performance. Take a look at our website. If you have any questions, reach out to us on Instagram at swiftpainrelief, or you can email us at info@swiftpainrelief.com. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.